Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a question that plagues many a small business owner. What happens after your first year with QuickBooks? You've explored the features, automated your invoices, and maybe even gotten a handle on your finances. But what about when that year-long subscription ends? Are you stuck scrambling for a new accounting software? Or is there more to the QuickBooks story? Buckle up, because we're about to break down everything you need to know about keeping the wheels of your business turning smoothly beyond year one with QuickBooks. The cost conundrum. Let's be honest, finances are a big deal for any business. So, the first thing you probably want to know is, how much will it cost to keep using QuickBooks after that initial year? Well, that depends. QuickBooks offers several subscription tiers, each catering to different business needs. Here's a quick rundown. Self-employed. This is the most basic plan, perfect for freelancers and solopreneurs. It lets you manage your income and expenses, create invoices, and track basic taxes. But keep in mind, features like inventory management and time tracking are off-limits here. Simple start. This plan steps things up a notch, offering everything in self-employed, plus the ability to send estimates, track inventory, and collaborate with an accountant. Essentials. This is the sweet spot for many growing businesses. It includes everything in Simple Start, along with features like bill payments, project profitability tracking, and time tracking. Plus, this plan is for businesses that need the most robust features. It offers advanced inventory management, multiple users, and even payroll integration. Choosing your path. So, which plan is right for you? Here's the key. Think about your business's current needs and its growth trajectory. If you're a one-person operation with a handful of clients, self-employed might suffice. But if you're scaling up with employees, inventory, and multiple projects on the go, then Essentials or Plus might be a better fit. The good news is that QuickBooks offers a free 30-day trial for most plans, so you can test drive the features and see which one best suits your workflow. Beyond the subscription, now, keeping your accounting software up to date is just one piece of the puzzle. Here are some additional things to consider as you move beyond year one with QuickBooks. Data backup. Your financial data is the lifeblood of your business. Make sure you have a robust backup system in place, either through QuickBooks' online storage or a third-party solution. Integrations. QuickBooks integrates with a variety of other business tools, from CRMs to payment processors. Explore these integrations to streamline your workflow and automate tasks. Bookkeeping help. As your business grows, the complexity of your finances might increase. Consider outsourcing your bookkeeping to a qualified professional who can leverage QuickBooks to its full potential. So, is QuickBooks worth it after the first year? Absolutely. It offers a scalable solution that grows with your business, providing the tools and features you need to stay organized, make informed financial decisions, and save valuable time. Remember, don't be afraid to explore the different subscription plans and features. QuickBooks offers a variety of options to fit your specific needs and budget. By carefully considering your requirements and taking advantage of the available resources, you can ensure that QuickBooks continues to be a valuable asset for your business well beyond the first year. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.